up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. This is the very first video that I'm making, and it's a little makeup look. I wanted to make it really simple and just make the lips to be the focal point, and of course, what better color than red. Actually, this whole makeup look was inspired by this awesome red lip that I'm sporting thanks to Madame Gabriela. This one is called Paris at 7 p.m. Excuse you. What I love about Madame Gabriela, they do their lipsticks with 100% clean ingredients. It has manuka honey and all these sorts of ingredients that are just good for your lips, and actually you can feel it. My lips tend to feel dry when I put lipsticks on, but not with this one. It feels super hydrating. One thing that I was really concerned when using lipsticks that weren't clean is that you're actually ingesting them. Like, you're just talking and then you're just like salivating and just eating all that thing, and I just thought that was nasty. And I think I read on Madame Gabriela's website about it too, and I was like, yeah, I thought about it. It's disgusting. You're just eating all that nasty stuff. And anyways, I made a blog post that I'm gonna link down here in the description, talking all about it and a little bit more about the ingredients and the other colors and the price and all of that. So if you want to check it out, make sure to go and click over there, down there somewhere, down there. It's the perfect red lipstick that's not too pink, not too purple, not too blue, not too orange, and I just love it. I'm super picky with the colors, and this one happens to be perfect. Guys, if you guys have read my blog at all, I focus on clean beauty, and I like to steer clear of toxic chemicals and ingredients that can just do nasty things to your skin and your body and the planet. And what I love about a red lipstick is, of course, you can wear it for date nights and Valentine's Day and all of that, but also it helps elevate a look, whether it's like clothes or just like makeup. It just brings it up a notch just for being this super awesome color. Now let's go over to the tutorial to get this fantastic makeup look. Okay, hope you guys like it. We're going to start with the very first thing, which is foundation, and I like to mix it with my moisturizer. Give me a second. Let me pull my hair back. It's way easier. My hair's not getting in the way. We can start now. So I'm gonna mix these two, and this is the Raw Elements Tinted Facial Moisturizer and my Crunchy foundation. Yeah, that moisturizer, I like to just go like this. Okay. And then I just mix it with my hands. I'm gonna use this Burt's Bees concealer, and this is the Fair. And I go with this finger, so I'm not just like pulling my skin so hard. Now I'm gonna be using this little eyebrow pencil. from PYT Beauty, and it has a spoolie on one side, so it's really convenient. Okay, so I usually am like, my face is like right here on the mirror, but I'm gonna try to do it farther away so you guys can see it. One tip that I do to make sure that my brows are perfectly symmetrical, it has to align with the edge of your eye and then your nose. Feel that might be it. I don't want to go overboard with the brows because I like them when they're really subtle. I feel like my face looks more feminine that way. Now we move on to the next step, which is going to be eyeshadow. So I want to keep it really subtle, and I'm going to be using this again, this PYT Beauty No BS. This is the palette No BS, literally. And I'm gonna use this one to go like overall. And I have this Eco Tool brush, so I'm just gonna go real quick, and it's like just to make sure I don't have any like little veins showing. Okay, now I'm gonna keep using this one, and I'm gonna use this little color in the middle. I have no idea what the color is. Hold on. It's called Day Trip. I'm gonna go on the crease a little bit, and let me just try to balance it a little bit because I get really scared when I put too much eyeshadow on. So I basically just want to focus on the crease and not so much on all over. I just want it on the crease. And now I'm just gonna slightly use this shimmery one. It's called Rooftop. I'm just gonna go like real simple and add a little bit of that to that same area. Now I'm gonna go with this accent shadow brush, and I'm just gonna grab a little bit of this dark color and just go underneath on this little part. Just keep it really close to the lash line so as to not create like a smoky look. I'm gonna add some more. Okay, you can see the difference. Now I am going with the other side. Okay, now I think I'm done with the eyeshadow for now. I might come back and add some later, but we'll see. It's always a mystery how my looks are gonna turn out. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes, and I use a spoon. So I just go like this. I just grab it like this and then go upwards, and then to go to the bottom lashes I go with this one, I think. Oh, see, it's not that finger, it's this one, it's the middle finger, so I just go like this. Now what I'm gonna do is add some eyeliner. Now for this, let me see if I can move the camera, because I have to be with my face close to the mirror. So I'm just gonna go with nothing special, just a cat eye. Okay, so I don't know if they're even or not, but I'm fine with that. Now I'm gonna apply mascara. I'm gonna use this Purity Beauty. It has a primer on one side and then the mascara on the other. At first I didn't really like this mascara, but it actually, I have to say, grew on me, and now I love it. It's perfect for my lashes. I'm gonna have to do a little trick, and I like to, when mascara is getting dry, I like to add a little bit of toner. And this is just, I don't remember if I ever saw it somewhere. You just have to get it in there, and then you tap it to make sure it goes all in. I think it went all in, and now you get your little spoolie and you mix it. Of course, this is not ideal. I'm not saying that. Somebody told me this. I think I invented this myself. I don't even remember. But it works and it gives life to your mascara, at least for a few more days. Done. Okay, I don't know what happened. I was recording and the camera just turned off all of a sudden. But anyways, I used this bronzer, and I just did on my lower cheeks, on here, on my jaw, on the contour of my face. Then I did blush with this color. It's Susu Luxe. It's color Sunset, and I just applied like a very subtle on my cheeks. And now I'm going to finish it up with some highlighter on this side. It's that e.l.f. And now it's gonna be my favorite part to finish up this look. The lips. First, I'm gonna go and use a little bit of lip balm. I find it easier for the lipstick to stay put. And then I'm just gonna go with This really, it's really old. It's just a lip liner and it's from NYX and it's the color Nude Pink, which is exactly what it is. It's a nude pink. Now that we finished that, we're gonna use our Madame Gabriela lipstick, and it's super cute because you press in here, pops open. Now look at that perfect red. Oh, just wanna die. So I'm super picky with the colors, and this one is just the best color. And so I kept everything really simple on my eyes, on like bronzer and all of that, because I want the lips again to be the focus point. I'm gonna go with a Q-tip and just clean those edges. Ha. Now one last tip. I don't know if everyone knows about this, but I just found out and it's super useful. So that your teeth don't get stained, you just go with your finger and you just pull it out, and that way you pull the exact amount of lipstick so that your teeth don't get stained. So you're gonna go like this. And that's it. You can see there's a little bit more on my finger. That is it. Oh no, I forgot one thing. I have a setting powder, a sample from 14E Cosmetics. And I just want to apply a little bit all over my face so that it's not greasy. Okay, so this is the final look. Okay, you guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope it was helpful. I'm not an expert in makeup, as you can probably tell. Follow me on Instagram, I have my blog, I have Pinterest. I can't wait to hear all your comments and questions and what things you want to see, what you're interested in, and please keep it nice. I'm a little scared. There's gonna be haters and they're gonna hate me in my face. I hope you guys like it, and we'll see you next time. Bye!